Hi, in my first video of how can you get blood stains out of shirts, I showed you what I did to pre-treat them. Then I washed them in hot water with bleach and soap. And now I'm going to pull them out. I've already pulled the two shirts aside to show you. So here we go. I just want to show you what they turned out like. So this is the first shirt. Right there is the stain. Okay. And give me a second to get my hand in it to show you. There's the second shirt. So, a lot of people would just say, oh, that's good enough, I'm done. However, I like my whites to be actually white, so what I will do is retreat those. They're still damp, they have not been in the dryer. I'm going to retreat those, and then I'm going to hand wash them to see that they come out. And then I will dry them. So we'll get them as good as can be, and maybe I'll post a couple pictures of the results on my website, janetmchugh.com, where you can find lots of useful tips, my blog, lots of ways to shop and other ways to make money. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and Google+. So thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help me, and I hope you have a blessed day. I'll see you soon, and the link to my website, janetmchugh.com, right there. Bye.